Hello, my name is Danny Sutter with MarineMax here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we are looking at this gorgeous 2024 Boston Whaler 21 Montauk. This one was designed with the lighter blue exterior gel, beautiful classic Boston Whaler boot stripe, and it has the lower profile railings, which is great for fishing. As you probably know, Boston Whaler is an incredible fishing boat. Come around to the stern here and you'll see it has the real teak wood on the swim platform with a nice 4-step ladder, and is equipped with the 150 Mercury outboard. Let's take a look inside. All right, we are inside this gorgeous 21 Montauk here. I want to start by showing off the helm seat here. What I love about this is it's a comfortable seat. If you're just cruising, you can sit down, or if you want to stand up, move the back up a little bit, you can lean against it. This one is equipped with a hard top, which looks great, and has multiple rod holders for all your fishing poles. Also equipped with the JL sound system. Head unit at the helm. I got speakers in the stern and up in the bow. As I walk around to the starboard side here, it's got a ton of storage underneath the helm here, which is awesome. Put all your life jackets and stuff in there. Let's take a look at these back seats here. As these come up, comfy vinyl seats for your guests, cup holders right there. Another feature I love is it has the teak wood on the gunnel here, as well as at the helm as somewhat of a step as you're driving. One more thing I want to show off. Boston Whaler, as you know, only the best, and they only put the best with their boats, as it comes equipped with a Yeti cooler with a strap down system and the cushion for guests to sit on up in the bow here. Again, gorgeous boat. Happy to show it off to you today. My name is Danny. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.